Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're going to look at the Trump meme coin, the official Trump meme coin today, which has bounced from around $16 up to $19.35. Looking pretty juicy, right? Well, I want to kind of just have a very nice skim over some on-chain data here of the official Trump token to see if it's logical that we might get a partial recovery soon for the Trump meme coin. What are the odds of us going back above $20? Maybe even making a partial recovery to $30. Well, let's have a little look at it in this video. You can see right now, Trump $19.36, $3.87 billion market capital, 200 million circulating supply of the 1 billion coins. Now, volume is just not there. It's dissipated, it's vanished, it's moved away. All the volume was at the very start of the launch, and retail volume is not coming in right now. If it's not retail volume, it can only be artificial volume, it can only be bots, it can only be market makers. Now, let's check out what's going on. We can see already we clipped far away from the $65, $70 all-time high that we hit before. My entry was at around, $17, $18. So I'm not in the worst place right here. I'm just pretty much break even. I already took half my profit, so whatever happens next is just free profits for holding sort of thing with no risk really attached. So yeah, we of course had that parabolic launch, and since then things are moving down, and the only way to get this coin by going up is to have more buying than selling pressure. And right now, just looking at some very key on-chain bits of data here, we can see 24 hours we had way more buys go in, 6 hours we had tons more buys go in, and then the 1 hour we've had loads of buys go in. So on the DEX side, it almost looks like there's no real sort of human volume coming in, or at least a lot of it at all. And yeah, it's just looking like we could actually see these artificial pumps to the upside, because right now a lot of market makers hold the supply as opposed to retail, and we can actually see the breakdown overall of the supply of the Trump token. You can see the largest being, of course, the Trump guys themselves. Binance have 4.84% of the supply right here, which is just crazy. Then you got Gate.io of 1.67. Then there's a few other wallets here on the bubble map that are holding significant amounts that I also, I don't know who they are as well. We can see Bybit's got a bunch here. Kraken's got a bunch. These other wallets have small amounts, but in real terms, it's actually massive amounts of supply. And there are other wallets holding huge amounts, millions of tokens, which will eventually be released, and they're able to sell. So it's interesting to see what's happening here. Looking at the official Trump token, we can see here the holders is also diminishing. People are exiting out of the Trump token. They're getting impatient, they're getting bored, they're getting frustrated with their position because it's not moving in the direction that they want it to. Now, remember, guys, when we look at the Trump coin, the tokenomics are very important. Also, if you are new here, do subscribe. It will help you hit your crypto goals in the future, I do hope. Anyway, we can see the distribution here. Look, you got that 1 bill maximum supply, right? The maximum card supply, 1 billion. And we will be getting a token release soon. In 3 months will be the first time we're going to get some tokens released into the ecosystem, more emissions. Maybe it's going to create more selling pressure. Maybe it's going to dilute the value of each token in terms of its price. It's really hard to say what's going to happen overall. Need to very much see a rebound here to $22. That's that key area of resistance we want to see Trump token bounce back into. So yeah, definitely a lot of huge wallets holding still a lot of supply. Basically, if you look at here, 0.01% wallets, there are roughly basically 100 wallets holding 0.01% of the supply. If you look at the top 10 wallets, I mean, you're looking at a lot of supply. If you exclude the 80% there, you're still looking at like 7% supply given away to these exchanges. And yeah, so it's really interesting to also factor that in. Looking at the official Trump purchase through Moonshot, we can see when it first went live, the volume was insane. The actual volume was just crazy. And ever since, that volume has slowly declined, slowly diminished, and really started to flatline. You can see that volume now has just flatlined. And we've not really seen a major amount of volume now since the euphoria, since the launch, since the peak, which is a little bit of a shame, I would say. We can see then the volume for Trump is dipping away as well. The cumulative volume has also dipped away significantly. So it's not really, you know, it's not really the most ideal scenario to be. Sorry, the cumulative volume is going up massively, as you can see that black line at the top, but it is flatlined. So that's the only bad thing here. The actual volume on the day, that's what's come right down. We can see that volume is just not looking great. 1 million on the day, whereas before it was at like 30 million on the day. So volume slipped away, cumulative volume, very much just slow averages. They're making, of course, a lot of money probably on fees being generated, or at least did. You can still see the fees here being generated. Still in the 5 digits, right? Still making some good money. This is just for Moonshot, though, I guess. So there are other sources as well. Trump trading fee share of Moonshot protocol revenue. Everything is dropping. So everything has declined. The market cap of official Trump also on the down. The price is on the down. The DEX activity over here we can see is significantly down. Really, really down a lot. The average number of trades just literally, you know, if we're looking by the day, which is quite difficult, but maybe by the hour, if we're looking at the hour, the number of traders, we're looking at about 1,000 traders, whereas before we had 50 to 60 to 70,000 traders just on this particular platform itself. So we're seeing a lot of, you know, rejection here, a lot of people turning away from it. The average trade size is $1,000 on DEX, whereas before it would have been so much higher when people were FOMOing in. So that's also something that I find quite interesting. Some interesting insights here on the Trump side of things. Didn't really think of it this way before, but yeah, we're missing that volume, we're missing the bull market, we're missing the euphoria, and now it is just sitting down here in this sort of anxiety / panic and frustration zone, which gives no real reward to most people that are after short-term gains. This could be now potentially a good area to dollar cost average into, to hold for a while and see what happens next. I do personally think when the bull markets do have a bullish flip, we should hopefully see a continuation to the upside for plenty of different meme coins. But at the moment, it really is just looking like, you know, we're printing lower highs consecutively, come down, print a high, but then you print a lower low, you print a lower high, you print a lower low, and then you're still printing a lower high. So it's not really like a win-win scenario at all right now. It's all just looking a bit kind of rubbish. Make sure, guys, you get yourself down below into the Discord channel. By the way, Jacob's Crypto Clan, we've got 39,000 members there. Come say hello and hang out in our Discord. Link is just straight down below. And also, you know, meme coins, crypto, whilst risky, it's always good to have a strategy, and, you know, don't over leverage, don't risk more than you can afford to lose, and don't do anything that makes you simply uncomfortable or struggle to sleep at night. It's that simple. Guys, Bitchenix as well, doing a massive sign up bonus right now. If you're looking for a new exchange, you can check out the Global Derivatives Exchange, Bitchenix. They've got tons of trading pairs. It's very easy to on-ramp your fiat currency, like, you know, pounds, euros, or whatever it might be, into the exchange. You can get trading very quickly. Sign up bonuses are available. If you want to grab some, you can sign up down below. Takes a few seconds, anyone can do it, and you've got tons of trading pairs here. You can buy Trump, you can buy all the coins that you enjoy using. You've got hundreds, if not thousands, of different trading pairs that you can go through with the Bitchenix exchange. It's also no KYC, globally accessible. You've got copy trading, trading bots are coming soon, and you can also stake on this exchange as well, which is pretty cool as well. So there's a lot of benefits and a lot of good reasons to use Bitchenix. One of my favorites right now that I'm doing my leverage, spot, and sort of daily trading with. Do check it out down below, and it can be a new beginning to your cryptocurrency journey. Or maybe you're just wondering what that next best exchange could be. Well, I personally really love the Bitchenix sort of angle here. Really doing nice. So check it out down below, have a look, and also consider becoming a patron if you really want to maximize your crypto gains in these markets. As little as $4 per month to get involved in some of the VIP stuff within the Discord, where you're going to get a load of trading signals. As you can see, some traders here are making some incredible gains. We're not making this up, but you'll find all these gains either in the Discord down below or by becoming a patron. So this is all the stuff that you want to sort of get involved with, and fingers crossed, you know, you too can make some big gains to get that dream car, that dream house, or maybe drop a day at work, or just treat people you love, or yourself. Why not? Anyways, take care, boys and girls. We'll see you very soon. Stay crypto safe. Peace.